Australian Air Force Reactivates Squadron to operate new MQ-4C Tritons. The Australian Air Force will reactivate a squadron of 3 MQ-4C Triton unmanned aerial vehicles which will enter service in 2024. The MQ-4C Triton can fly for up to 24 hours, and it will be able to provide continuous reconnaissance and surveillance of northern maritime approaches, which is critical in terms of national defense. So far, Australia is the sole operator of the MQ-4 other than the US Navy.